For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
An all-out war has begun between the Samajwadi Party and the Bahujan Samaj Party. BSP chief Mayawati said on Thursday that her party will leave no stone unturned in defeating the Samajwadi Party. Mayawati said that the party would vote for the BJP or any other party's candidate to ensure the defeat of the Samajwadi Party in future elections for the Legislative Council in Uttar Pradesh. Mayawati also raked up a case from the past which she thought could have helped her in the current situation. She said that dropping the 1995 case against the SP was a big mistake.
से खड़े किए जाने वाले उम्मीदवार को हराने के लिए अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा देगी बीएसपी जो है, और इसके लिए चाहे पार्टी के विधायकों को इनके उम्मीदवार को हराने के लिए बीजेपी व अन्य किसी भी विरोधी पार्टी के उम्मीदवार को ही अपना वोट क्यों न देना पड़ जाए तो भी देंगे। अर्थात जो भी पार्टी इनके दूसरे उम्मीदवार को यानी कि सपा के दूसरे उम्मीदवार को हराने के लिए भारी पड़ेगी तो उसे हम अपने विधायकों का वोट जरूर दिलाएंगे।
The former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh also asserted that the SP has insulted Brahmins. She claimed that SP has abused BSP's National General Secretary Satish Chandra Mishra. When the Bahujan Samaj Party saw the Samajwadi Party's behavior towards them after the results of the Lok Sabha elections last year, they realized that they had committed a big mistake by taking back the 1995 case against them.
We should not have joined hands with them. We should have thought a bit deeper. We took the wrong decision in haste. We committed a very big mistake by doing so. I want to disclose that when we decided to contest polls with the SP for the Lok Sabha elections in UP, we worked very hard for it. But from day one of our coalition, SP chief kept telling SC Mishra that since BSP and SP had joined hands, I should take back my June 1995 case.
The BSP chief also claimed that the SP did not respond to them after polls and hence they want to part ways with them.
Our party had joined hands with the SP to fight communal forces during the Lok Sabha elections. Due to their family infighting, they could not gain much from the Gathbandhan with the BSP. They stopped responding to us post-elections and hence we decided to part ways with them.
Her comments came even as suspended 7 rebel legislators of her party had opposed the nomination of the BSP's official candidate Ramji Gautam for the elections to the Rajya Sabha.